नव भारत। आनंद जी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है। कब्ज़ा के वक्त मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है कि आपने बहुत अच्छे स्क्रीन लिए थे और बहुत अच्छा उनकी तादाद थी। ये फिल्म चूंकि उससे भी बड़ी फिल्म है, जैसा कि कह रहे हैं कि 150 करोड़ की फिल्म है और इंटरनेशनली इसको, और उसमें ख़ास तौर पर शिव जी का रहना बहुत बड़ी।
उस टाइम पे कहाँ पर कब रिलीज़ है, बट वो मैं आपको इतना अश्योर करूँ कि कब्ज़ा से ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी रिलीज़ होगी, वो पक्का है।
क्या बात है।
थैंक यू।
Hello, this side. Hi, this is Riaz from Asian TV News.
Sir, towards your
I have a question to Shivanna. Sir. Sir,
एक सेकंड सर, एक सेकंड सर, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन। मैं आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर आर चंद्रू गारू फैमिली ऑन द स्टेज, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। अच्छा, क्यों आने के बाद में? अच्छा ठीक है, क्वेश्चन के बाद में, क्वेश्चन के बाद में, या हाँ ठीक
sir,
है,
this
ठीक है।
side.
जी रियाज साहब
प्लीज
प्लीज।
प्लीज, या सर, सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन।
Okay, no issue. Shivanna, could you tell me something about your poster? First look, it's look wonderful. How
Wow.
do you feel about this poster?
Actually, there's one nice suspense in his life. Why money? Why that sword on his shoulder, and a bag full of money in his bike? There's a lot of things, when you come inside the film, this is a unique point everywhere. It's not only for South India like that. Anywhere in the country, when money comes, there should be a blood. There should be violence. Everything is there mixed. But why he takes that, in which position he takes that, there's a lot of suspense in that. When you come and watch the film with an entertaining way, and his characterization, when you come and watch, you'll really feel surprised. Seeing this, the violent look of him, but when you come inside the film, you'll laugh. That's there. 100%. There'll be a lot of fun element in that.
आनंद सर, एक सवाल आपसे भी बनता है। हिंदी ऑडियंस को ध्यान में रखकर, शायद वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑडियंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप इस फिल्म को बनाने जा रहे हैं, आपकी सारी टीम मिलकर जा रही है। क्या कारण है कि साउथ के एक्टर्स, साउथ के टेक्नीशियंस को आपने इस वक्त प्रायोरिटी दी है? अगर आप चाहते तो बॉलीवुड के स्टार्स को भी ले सकते थे। क्या आपको लगता है फिल्म की सक्सेस आसानी से हो, इसलिए साउथ के एक्टर्स, साउथ की टीम कहीं ना कहीं आज चल पड़ी है? आपका क्या मानना है?
मेरे हिसाब से साउथ में ज़्यादा ओरिजिनल फिल्म बनती है, एंड इट्स नॉट ए इंस्पायर्ड फिल्म, सो उसकी वजह से आई थिंक उसकी एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होती है। और जिस स्केल पे वो जो फिल्में बनती है, मेरे ख्याल से वो स्केल कुछ अलग ही है। वो हिंदी फिल्म में इतना ज़्यादा आया नहीं है अभी आजकल, तो पीपल लव दैट। पैन इंडिया की जो बात कर रहे हैं ना, पीपल लव दैट, लास्ट 5 साल में आपने फिल्में देखी होगी, तो जो साउथ की बड़ी स्केल की फिल्म आई है, तो इंडियन ऑडियंस ने सब जगह पे उसको एक्सेप्ट किया है।
Hello. Hi, this is Sohail. Namaskar to everyone. Congratulations also. Shirajan, I just wanted to ask you, the film title is Monster, original Monster, when we call OG. So do you really want to show the industry that you are the original one?
Not exactly. That character wants to show, not Shivana.
Something about this poster is looking very nice.
Yeah, basically,
and talking about blood money, you're looking very furious also. Something about how's this particular character. If you could say something on it.
No, that's what I'm saying. No? What you see, no? When you come and see in the film, it will be very different. But what director wants to say is correct. Original Monster only. But even Monster has got a heart, has got a humor, has got even he has got one romance in his life. So a lot of things are there. Friends are there, acceptance is there, and a lot of sacrifice is there. And when you detail, you can't tell the film now.
Achha, but do you feel you are the OG also?
What?
You are the OG, original.
OM.
Yeah.
Om. Om is the Om. That's why Upendra gave the title Om.
Of course.
The Om, yeah.
Hello, Shivanna.
Hello.
Sir, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Sir, good to see you.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir, my question is कि Salman Khan's upcoming film is also titled Monster and you're OG Monster. Sir, do you see this ki this is the beginning of Salman Khan versus Shivanna? How do you see this?
No, the stories will be different. No? अलग अलग story होता है. 100%. That will be really different. It is not that Shivana versus Salman Khan. Nothing like that.
क्या
We are
हम
all
देख-
one.
Sir, क्या कभी हम देख सकते हैं दोनों को साथ में?
I think if God wishes and all people wish, might be one day we will.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
And I
you.
love you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
उससे भी ज़्यादा you are that person जिसको इंसान आप बहुत अच्छे हैं,
you.
बहुत हम्बल हैं और शब्द कम है शायद मेरे पास आपके लिए.
Thank
आप
you.
ऐसे मायने रखते हैं आप हमारे लिए. और आपने कहा कि मुंबई से आपको बहुत प्यार मिलता है, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा पूरी दुनिया में आपको प्यार मिलता है सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर कमिंग.
Thank you.
Shivanna, let me tell you, we've never seen her compliment anyone before this, and she's doing it with so much, like, it's so genuine.
Thank you.
So, wow, this is brilliant. Yeah.
The
Thank you
last
so
time
much.
we did an interview with her.
Okay.
Shivanna, Shivanna here. Casting plays a very important part. विलन की एक बहुत खास अहमियत होती है. तो हमारी इस फिल्म में विलन कौन है? Who is the villain in the film? Who is the villain in the film?
Me.
Apart from you, who else?
But Bhavna ma'am, I'll come to you. Ji, we'll just answer the question. Ji.
I am the Sunil is villain. I am villain. So Chandru is a villain. Because he
Of
makes
course.
me villain in this film.
Shivanna, is there a possibility we see you in Jailer 2? There are still speculation.
100%, 100%. I am there.
So if you can throw some little light on that also.
Not now. I think it's coming in October. You know?
So how
Chandru Garu family, please. Chandru Garu family.
2 questions we'll take, and then Lipika ji, aaiye, please.
हाँ, Shiv Kumar ji,
Namaste.
you said you have been to Mumbai many a times, and first time also you came with your wife. This time also you're with your wife.
Yeah, 40 years we have been together.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
And will we see you having a property in Mumbai? Commuting is so difficult because it's better to live here
I
and
think
give
I
us
should
good
ask,
films.
because what about my wife?
We'll provide that. Don't worry.
I was about to say that. Anand sir is here, and of course, we are talking about real estate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was talking about real estate.
Yes, ma'am. We'll provide him a good house here.
And you know,
And
we are
right on
very-
the Juhu beach.
Thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
wow. And Shiv Kumar ji, you have been the OG, of Kannada film, and KGF has given the Kannada film industry on the highest pedestal. Na chal rahe, because of KGF, Kannada film industry number 1 ಆಯ್ಡ್ಚಿ ரொம்ப நல்லா தமிழ் தெரியாது அல்ல மறந்து போயிட்டு நம்பர் 1 ஆயிடுச்சு என்ன சொல்லணும் உங்களுக்கு
I think we are proud of it. Whoever does, our industry is going upper and upper, means it's always there, because Kannada industry have been produced many directors, very good directors, where many people from all the languages got inspired by many directors like Putana Kangal. There are a lot of directors, Upendra. There are a lot of directors who got inspired by them. I'm really very proud that we are in that industry. That you all people are saying. That's more
ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಗಾರು
important.
ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್
ಏನು
ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ
ವಿಷಯ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆವಿಲಿಶ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡೆವಿಲಿಶ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅದು ಬೇಕಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವೇ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್.
Your father was such a great man, a living legend icon. So what are your fond memories of it?
There are a lot of memories. Within a minute we can't tell. But only one thing I'll say. Everybody says we are born for a superstar like that. No, I can say I'm born for a very good human being.
Yeah, sir. Can you see me? On your right, sir. On your right.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, okay. Sir, thanks for that. You like Mumbai and likes to walk through Juhu to eat pani puri and all. We like to see you all the time. Sir, my question is like you call yourself as an original monster. So can we see you shaking legs in the movie?
What?
Movie? Any dance?
Yeah, it is there.
Because you're a monster, so monster dances.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
So okay, sir. Thank you.
Mailari का देखा ना sir?
Hi, Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood Center. My question is to Shivanna. Sir, आप last time when you came to Mumbai, आपकी जो film थी Ghost मेरे ख्याल से, और that film had you having pani puri with alcohol, और आज आपने बताया कि आपको जुहू बीच पसंद है, आपको पानी पूरी बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि मतलब क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं आप अपनी फिल्म और अपनी असली ज़िंदगी में पानी पूरी के साथ?
नहीं, अभी 2 साल हो गया है अभी. I had because I was detected cancer 2 years back, so I went for an operation. After that, I've not started yet, but I don't know when I'm going to start again or not. But still, I might be. If I start, I will experiment again.
Shivanna,
Thank you.
see, Toxic is out. Hello, Shivanna. You went to support Yash also. What's your take on the film? Have you seen the film?
We'll.
No, I've just come for this one because I did not get time actually.
Yes.
But I'll be watching the film.
Okay, we're taking one last.
How's the
question,
response?
okay?
How's the response? Might be you have heard from the friends and the colleagues. How's the response?
Yeah, some people are liking the film because it's a very good attempt actually. They are trying to say something because every human being has got that right to make a film in a different style. But according to what point of view is taking, we have to watch that. So after watching the film, I can tell you.
Very beautiful.
But right now it's good.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Sunil
sir.
Garu. Sunil Garu. Yes, I'm there
Mata
because he was
Chappan.
looking that side. Sunil Garu, you were there in Pushpa.
Yes, Mata. Yes.
Yes, and now you are working with Shiv Kumar ji for the first time.
Yes, Mata. Yes.
So, how was it working with him? You know?
Means a fanboy moment.
Yeah. No.
Fanboy moment, really.
Huh.
That's generally that's a impossible thing. We saw someone else in chair through screen. So I am watching him on screen. Now I am acting with Shivanna. His biggest dream came
So
true.
were you not intimidated by him when you met him first? You must have met him while discussing or something, whatever. So were you not intimidated by him? Even Rambo Perisa actor.
Yes. And whenever I go to Bangalore for any shooting, I met Shivanna only. Almost 4 or 5 times I am doing shooting in Bangalore. I met Shivanna only.
Okay.
He is always, I don't know why the gods this thing. Whenever I am doing this thing work there, Shivanna is very near to that spot.
Oh.
I am going there and I am meeting him and going back to my
Chandru Garu, how was it handling all? I mean, you'll be handling them. What? When are you starting the project?
September 7th, madam. 7th onward shooting start. Continuously, now first schedule 15 days we are planning. Already sets work are going. Our art director here only.
Chandru sir, how could you make the two superstars work together? How it can be possible? Because both are two busy actors. Three.
Actually, Hindi also I love, sir. That's why one big actor we are announcing. One big actor in Hindi also. We are nearly announcing.
Who?
That's process going
No,
on, madam.
at least first alphabet tell us. S, A. Chollanga. Huh?
Perfect.
Suspense.
Perfect ஆச்சு சொல்ல madam. Please.
Okay, sir.
So there'll be another, surprise and a big announcement for that, I'm sure, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's all we have for you. So, yeah, it's time